How to quote residential window cleaning.
You know, the season's here, they're busy, they're booked, but you guys don't want to be booked and busy with low paying clients. You guys want to be servicing clients that are going to pay you what you deserve. You know, you guys don't want to be over here, kissing your wife in the morning goodbye, like I'm going to go to work and not come home till like 7 or 6 p.m. or when you should be home already. Or I understand the grind and all that good stuff. You know, you gotta do it when you gotta do it, but like not every day, every night, coming home when it's dinner time, not being able to spend time with your kids, with filling your day with clients that are just, looking for bargains or deals. You want to work less, work for the clients that are going to appreciate you, your skill set, your quality, your professionalism. You want to work for those type of clients, and that's what this is here. Over here in the Coachella Valley where I live, like the areas that I saw early on in my career were Indian Wells, California, were Palm Springs, California, Rancho Mirage, California. But Rancho Mirage is actually not so much a city that I really actually service because of the type of houses that are here. I mainly focus on Palm Springs, California. I mainly focus on Indian Wells, California. Palm Desert, California in certain areas. I don't work for the all of Palm Desert, California. I don't, because they don't have the type of windows that I want to clean, that are easy for me to clean, and the clientele that are willing to pay me for my, services, like I said before. So you guys don't want to just like be busy. Being busy isn't making money. Being busy is not making money. A lot of people like ask them, hey, how's it going? Like, how's business? Oh, I'm busy. You know what I mean? Like, you guys, honestly, no disrespect to anybody. Anytime. I'm not here to disrespect anybody. I'm in here to inspire you, to push yourself to the limits. If you guys understand where that is. I don't even know where my own limits are at. I just continue to push myself. You guys want to go ahead and make sure that you guys are pushing the envelope, seeing where too much is too much for your area, and believing yourself though too. You guys got to know your worth. You guys don't want to just be busy. Don't be busy. Me personally, I'm never busy. If you guys hear that I say I'm busy, honestly, it's because I have a full schedule with good clientele that are willing to pay me what I'm willing to work for. I'm never at a client's property anymore that I wish I wasn't there anymore. I'm there because I want to be there. And, I'm at the right house, the right clientele. It's an easy house for me to do, all that good stuff. So if you ever hear me say that I'm busy, it's because I'm making good money. I don't ever like start my engine on my truck, my work truck, arrive at a client's property just to stay busy. If my wife knows that I'm out and about doing something, I'm there because I'm making profit, good profit. I don't want to get all into it over here. People are here to enjoy themselves, but you guys just like push yourselves. Like make a promise to yourself that, if you guys are doing like 5 quotes a day or 2-3 quotes a day, on average I do like about 10 quotes a day. Out of those 5 quotes a day, let's say for example for you guys, or just do, for example, if you're doing 5 quotes a day, out of those 5 quotes a day, make sure with 2 of those quotes that you guys are actually giving yourself a raise, $40 additional. Whatever you would price that house at, price it, tack on, add $40 more to that quote, and then see what happens. You know what I mean? See what happens. And, you know, honestly, my honest opinion, as you guys keep doing that every single day, you guys are going to realize that, wow, I just got an additional $40 because I threw it out there. And that you're not going to miss out on those clients. And if you do, you guys got to be willing to walk away. Don't be afraid to give a quote for an additional $40. Because honestly, like, that $40 is being stolen from you guys because of you. It's being stolen from your kids, your wife, your household, your business, to finally be able to afford that wrap on your truck or your van. Finally being able to afford that water-fed pole. Finally being able to afford to pay for additional employees or workman's comp or general liability or being bonded. You guys are stealing from yourself. So just do it. And you know, my whole goal is to inspire people, to encourage people to start their business and grow their business and quit the 9-to-5 job that they're currently in now. You know? So I hope this helps somebody. This light is honestly blinding me. So I'm gonna end it here. But you guys gotta, you know, keep pushing through it. Persevere. Show perseverance. And get it done. I hope you guys have a great day. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment below, and more than willing to help you guys out. And let's get this money, you guys. This view was amazing. So I thought I'd share this with you guys. You know, we all need to come together and work together and evolve as a whole, you know? So I'm just trying to do my part to make that happen.